Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's interview is uh, two important concepts called as that is offset, fetch, and second one is row number. Okay, let's look into first scenario. So the scenario is basically here. If you look into how can you retrieve a specific range of records from a database table, such as 6th to 10th records. So 6th to 10th records means we had to fetch within the table, we had to fetch from 6th row to 10th row. Okay. And that records 6th record and 10th record. And this is especially useful when working with large data sets and paginating the results. Okay. So like if you are working with large data set, then it is this concept will be much useful. Okay. So here I am taking a sample data called as sample data table, ID and name, and I have inserted this data. Let's look into the data first of all. I have this one, ID, name. So up to 10 rows I have inserted this. So first one is I am using with this method called as to apply with the offset and fetch. So straight away this one we can apply. There is no logic here. Select a star from sample data, order by name. So up to this one we know. So if I execute this, order by this one. Okay. Here order by we can apply ID better. If I apply, because of why I'm applying the ID called as, if I apply with the order by name, so name is database 1, database 10 will come. Okay. Because 1 it will assign. So if I execute this ID by using order by, so 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Okay. Now I want offset 5 rows, fetch next to 5 rows only. So how this one, if I execute this part, I'm getting next to 5 rows. So first to 5 rows is skipping and next to 5 rows. So first to 5 rows skipping. After then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is the offset and fetch will work. So basically in the query, offset 5 rows, fetch next to 5 rows. So basically keeps the first 5 rows and fetches the next to 5 rows, which gives you 6th to 10th records. That is the offset fetching. And method 2, by using with the row number. So what is the row number function called as? So row number function is assigns a unique number to each row based on the order by. So here I'm applying with this select star comma row number over order by ID as row. So this one row created with sample data. If I execute this one, I'm getting the row. Each and every row, one row number created. Now I had to apply with the filter. So by using subquery, we are getting with the this filter condition. So filter condition is select. This is the subquery and outer query I'm writing with select star from this one. A. So the A is the alias name, where A dot row greater than 5 means greater than 5 means 6 onwards, and A dot row less than or equals to 10. So up to 10, including less than or equals to 10. So including 10 also. So 6 to 10. If I execute 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the by using row number. So if you want to fetch with the specific rows within the table, so these two methods will be helpful. Okay. One is the offset fetch and second one is the row number. So row number with subquery. So in row number, how many classes we have used? So first to subquery this one. In subquery, we are using row number with order by class over and order by. After then filtering the records, where class. Okay. So this is the two methods. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. If you are interested in the content, please share the videos to your friends also through WhatsApp or Telegram or YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.